Number 4 is CRC Dry PTFE Lube, 10WT Oz lubricant. If you're in the world of 3D printing, you know that smooth, friction-free movements are essential for precise and flawless prints. That's where CRC Dry PTFE Lube comes to the rescue as the ultimate 3D printer lubricant for bearings. Crafted with the utmost care and ingenuity, CRC Dry PTFE Lube is like a wizard's potion for your printer. With its advanced formula straight from the enchanting minds at DuPont, this lubricant fearlessly takes on extreme temperature conditions, ranging from icy cold to sizzling hot. A spritz of this mystical lubricant and your printer's bearings will dance joyfully. It works magic on many surfaces, from metal to wood, rubber to glass. Whether your printer's bearings need a little love or a complete transformation, CRC Dry PTFE Lube bonds with them like a faithful companion. Imagine the possibilities when your printer's bearings move effortlessly, guiding your creations with the grace of an elegant fairy. So, let CRC Dry PTFE Lube be your printer's trusty sidekick, fighting friction and welcoming a world of precision and perfection to your 3D printing adventures. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.